Caring for and using your ViaTerra saddlebags correctly will ensure that you get the best performance and usable life from your luggage. These simple tips can help. Always use your saddlebag with a well-designed saddlebag rack or saddle stay system that securely supports and keeps the saddlebags away from the wheels. Make sure that your saddlebags are mounted correctly. This includes checking that the bags are well balanced, mounted securely, and that all straps are secured safely without any loose ends left hanging. Ensure that no part of the bag is pressing against sharp objects. Be mindful of what you put in the bags as well as what the bags are placed against, whether on or off the bike. Keep the saddlebags away from hot surfaces such as the silencer of your motorcycle, as these could damage the bag severely. Ensure clearance of at least 3 inches between the exhaust of your motorcycle and the bottom of the saddlebag. Using an exhaust end-can heat shield is advisable, especially when the saddlebag sits closer to the exhaust. Leaving saddlebags on the bike on a long-term basis could result in fading of color. We recommend removing them from the bike whenever not in use. We also recommend periodically examining the bags and all mounting straps to check for wear and tear. If you notice any cuts or weakening to any part of the bag or any strap or any damage to the stitching, it may no longer be safe for use on the motorcycle. In such a situation, you can get in touch with the ViaTerra repairs team via our website to assess the damage and advise you on how best to tackle it. Do not get the bag repaired or altered by any third party, as this will void the warranty. Periodically check the inner liners and outer waterproof covers of your ViaTerra saddlebags. If you notice any damage, cuts or tears, it is time to replace them. You can order replacement covers and liners for your specific bag on our website viaterragear.com. Clean your ViaTerra saddlebags periodically to keep them ready for the next use. Dust off mud and dirt from the bags and use a damp cloth to remove anything that requires a little more coaxing. You can also use a soft bristle brush like a soft or extra soft toothbrush to remove dirt, but be mindful that using too harsh a brush could cause damage to the materials. Clean out dirt and dust from zippers and lubricate them from time to time for smoother movement. Do not use any harsh detergents, bleach, stain removers, or other chemical substances, as this could damage coatings and material. Also, do not machine wash or use any other cleaning method other than what is specifically suggested for the relevant product. Ensure that the bags are clean and completely dry before being put into storage. Add some silica gel for moisture absorption. Ideally, place the bags in a cool, dry place away from the sun and other heat sources. Do not fold or roll the bag when storing or stuff them into a smaller container, as this could cause damage. If you want to collapse and store the bags, make sure to first carefully remove the reinforcement panel. If you have any questions about how to care for or store your ViaTerra motorcycle saddlebags, drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to assist.